Are you tired of struggling with food that sticks stubbornly to your frying pan, turning cooking into a frustrating ordeal? If so, you're not alone. Non-stick frying pans have become kitchen essentials for home cooks and professional chefs alike, offering a seamless cooking experience that makes meal preparation a breeze. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best non-stick frying pans on the market, highlighting their unique features, materials, and durability. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or whipping up a delicate crepe, the right non-stick pan can revolutionize your culinary adventures. Let's dive in and find the perfect frying pan for you. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Tramontina Professional Series, our pick for best budget non-stick frying pan. If you're in search of a reliable non-stick pan that promises effortless cooking and easy cleanup, consider the Tramontina aluminum non-stick pans from their professional line. These pans have garnered praise from both restaurant chefs and home cooks alike, making them a cherished tool in many kitchens. As soon as you take these pans out of the box, you'll discover their remarkable performance. Whether you're aiming for crispy fish skin, a cheesy frittata, or perfectly fluffy pancakes, these pans deliver exquisite results without the hassle of sticking. Best of all, they are budget-friendly, allowing you to enjoy premium cookware without the hefty price tag that often comes with high-end options. While the Made In non-stick pan may have a slight edge, it's worth questioning whether you want to invest heavily in something that may not last. With options ranging from 8 to 14 inches, Tramontina pans are versatile enough to accommodate your cooking needs. Each 10-inch pan weighs a manageable 2.5 pounds and is crafted from cast aluminum with a per-fluorooctanoic acid-free non-stick coating, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. Plus, they are dishwasher safe and can handle oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. However, keep in mind that they are not compatible with induction cooktops. Elevate your culinary skills and make Tramontina a standout in your kitchen. You'll appreciate the combination of quality, affordability, and convenience that these pans offer. Number 4. Made In Cookware ProCoat, our pick for best high-end non-stick frying pan. If you're passionate about cooking, you know that the right tools can make all the difference. Made In understands this need. Their cookware isn't just for professionals. It's designed for home chefs like you, who aspire to create culinary delights without breaking the bank. With a legacy in kitchen supplies spanning over a century, Made In is dedicated to delivering high-quality cookware that stands up to the demands of any kitchen. Take, for instance, their versatile 10-inch skillet. It's crafted to be compatible with any stove, including induction, and can withstand oven temperatures up to 500 degrees. Whether you're eager to achieve a perfectly seared steak or whip up a delicious frittata, this skillet helps you navigate your cooking ambitions with ease. While Made In may not tout a dishwasher safe label, the focus on durability and performance resonates with chefs and home cooks alike. Moreover, their cookware graces the kitchens of acclaimed restaurants such as Alinea and Le Bernardin, letting you bring the same level of excellence into your home culinary adventures. By choosing Made In, you're not just investing in cookware, you're buying into a community of culinary enthusiasts who value quality and affordability. So gear up! Your next cooking venture awaits, and with Made In, you have the perfect ally to help your taste buds flourish. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 8-inch, our pick for best lightweight non-stick frying pan. If you're looking for an affordable skillet that performs beautifully in the kitchen, the OXO skillet might just become your new favorite tool. After extensively using this skillet for a year, I can personally attest to its impressive durability. The surface remains scratch-free and shows no signs of wear, making it a reliable choice for a variety of dishes. From delicate crepes to nourishing stir-fries, being one of the budget-friendly options on the market, I take care to preserve its quality by avoiding the dishwasher and oven, unlike with my sturdier, Zwilling Madura and material skillets. OXO states that this skillet can handle up to 390 degrees, providing you with the versatility you need for various cooking tasks. One of the standout features of this OXO skillet is its lightweight design. You'll immediately notice how easy it is to toss ingredients or flip a tortilla española, making you feel like a culinary pro. The comfortable silicone grip ensures that you have a secure hold, allowing you to maneuver around your stovetop effortlessly. If you're ready to take your cooking experience to new heights without overspending, consider adding the OXO skillet to your kitchen arsenal. It's designed to elevate your cooking game while offering you the performance you crave, all at a price that won't compromise your budget. Treat yourself. You deserve kitchen tools that inspire joy and creativity. Number 2, HexClad Hybrid 10-inch, our pick for best splurge non-stick frying pan. If you're weary of the usual non-stick pans that wear out all too soon, HexClad is here to change the game. Investing over $100 in a single pan may seem daunting, but this innovative skillet could be a kitchen essential you won't regret. Imagine a pan that combines the effortless ease of non-stick cooking with a unique, honeycomb design made of raised stainless steel. This hybrid approach not only prevents your food from sticking, but also safeguards the pan from the wear and tear that typically plagues non-stick cookware. With HexClad, you're essentially getting the benefits of both non-stick and stainless steel in one versatile option. One of the standout features of the HexClad skillet is its impressive non-stick release, minimizing the hassle of scrubbing burnt food off your cookware. But here's the exciting part. It also allows you to achieve a decent sear on your meats and vegetables. While it may not rival the searing power of pure stainless steel, it offers a performance that surpasses most traditional non-stick pans. Feeling intrigued by the HexClad hype? This skillet might just reshape your cooking experience and elevate your culinary creations. Take the plunge and explore a new love affair in your kitchen that marries functionality with longevity. You might find it worth every penny. Number 1, All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized, our pick for best non-stick frying pan overall. If you're looking to elevate your cooking experience, consider adding this fantastic set of non-stick frying pans to your kitchen arsenal. Featuring an 8-inch and a 10-inch pan, this duo is perfect for those ambitious culinary days when you're juggling multiple dishes. While a larger option would be great for family feasts, these sizes are great for most everyday meals. Crafted with a sturdy stainless steel base, these pans are built to last and resistant to warping, making those suitable even for your induction cooktop. The aluminum construction ensures even heating, so you can look forward to perfectly cooked meals without the guesswork. One common kitchen struggle is the wear and tear of traditional non-stick surfaces, but you'll find that these pans hold their non-stick sheen exceptionally well after weeks of cooking. Their impressive durability means you won't have to worry about scratches ruining your cooking experience. The stainless steel handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, giving you the confidence to flip pancakes and saute veggies with ease. Plus, they're oven safe up to 500 degrees, expanding your cooking possibilities. With the added convenience of being dishwasher safe, it's no wonder these pans are a game changer in the kitchen. While hand washing is recommended for longevity, these pans will surely help you create delicious meals effortlessly. It's time to embrace your cooking potential. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which non-stick frying pan you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.